unboxing day. Today I will be showing you my latest score from Depop. I have a Lazio skirt in here. I don't know the name of it. It's technically part of a set, but the seller didn't have the top for it because I guess their ex stole it from them. Damn them. But yeah, we're gonna open this up and try it on, and we're gonna have a chat about some of the details and the quality, like always. So let's get into this bad boy. I also just really like this box that they sent it in. They got one of those fancy ones that they have at the post office that nobody ever bothers to buy. They bothered to buy one. How nice. So it came with just the skirt, nothing else, no fanciness, pretty standard Depop. So like right away, I love this fabric. It's a very nice twill. It feels super soft and buttery, like a good quality fabric, but it's also like really thick and sturdy. Like this feels like something that's gonna last a long time. So this is an older piece. You can tell because their logo it looks like the older logo. I think this is probably around the time that their collaboration with Nasty Girl came out, but like, I don't know when that was. We got one of the older labels. This is a size L because I am a thick bitch and I got a booty, so I got a size large. Ooh, we have pockets. We have pockets. Oh. Pockets. They're big pockets. Oh my gosh, like that's my hand. That's my hand. It's so deep, like you can fit a phone in there. Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Amazing. We actually have a pocket on both sides. Like, first of all, how often do you get a skirt with pockets? Second of all, how often do you get a skirt with two pockets? Usually it's just like a zipper on one side and then a tiny little pocket on the other side, if you're lucky enough to get that. So they have like a really juicy hem, like it's really long, but then they didn't turn down this. Like it still has the serge raw edge here that they just folded over. Like usually if you're a home sewer, you will know this because it's like one of the first things you learn. You would iron the serge part under and then fold it so that you have just like a nice clean little fold here instead of just the raw edge. But like they didn't do that. They skipped that. And also you can tell that this is a full circle skirt because like that's a little messy. That's a little messy. I really like circle skirts for some things, especially if you have like a fluffy little petticoat underneath it. But a lot of times circle skirts can also just kind of make you look like a weird little sausage. So we'll see what kind this is. Unfortunately, I don't have any petticoats anymore. I gave my last one to Goodwill like a year and a half ago. So we'll figure something out. But I guess we'll just try it on as is. I think that's all I have to say about the quality. It's just a circle skirt, like, yeah, pretty standard seams, just like two seams, then a back seam. Really basic construction. There's not really a whole lot that you can mess up on a circle skirt. So we're gonna go ahead and just try it on real quick. All right, pals, I know my sweater kind of doesn't super go with this, but here is the silhouette of this bad boy. I actually really like it. Like the way the fabric matches the design so well. Like I could definitely use an iron, obviously. Like when do I iron my clothes? But yeah, like the fabric to pattern like design aspect really makes a really nice silhouette on this. Like this doesn't need a petticoat at all. It looks really good as is. It's also one of those. It's a very good fit. It fits me perfect. I am a 30-31 inch waist, so if you are a 30-31 inch waist, a Lazio size L will fit you amazingly. Big, deep pockets. They're at a good, like sometimes a pocket will be up a little bit too high on a skirt, so you have to like, you know, do the thing. But they put it down a couple inches, and on my waist, it's like, it's good. It's about like where a jean pocket would sit, which is like most people are just kind of used to where jean pockets lay. So since it's at the exact same height as a jean pocket, it just kind of feels natural, if that makes sense. It's a good length. I think like it goes right down to my kneecap. Yeah. Like it's not so long that it kind of makes you look like a librarian. Like it's still cute, but it's not so short that if you're somebody that doesn't feel comfortable showing off your thighs, that you would like feel awkward in public. The pattern is going to be really interesting to work into my wardrobe. I don't know if I like showed the actual pattern, but it's got these little like Lazio bunny faces. Kind of remind, like it's their like mascot face, but with like a bunny. I think this was a springtime release, like an Easter type thing. But yeah, I really like the gingham. I love gingham. I feel like most girls in this day and age, if you've ever like had any fleeting interest in warm, you're probably like head over heels in love with gingham. So yeah, I'll be really excited to work this into a summer lookbook. That'll be cute. Maybe even my Valentine's Day lookbook, which I may or may not be planning. So yeah, this will definitely be in many videos to come. It's really comfy. So yeah, that is my review of this skirt. All right, yeah, I really like this piece. It is a good addition. I feel like this will be really nice in the spring when it's like hot, or it like starts to get hot. I live in the desert, so we only have 2 seasons, and like the second spring hits, it's like 80 degrees. So when that hits, I think this will be really nice because it's like, it's really comfy and really sturdy, and I feel like I could walk outside in this without being afraid of the skirt like being hefted up by the wind. I hope everybody liked this video, and I hope everybody checks out Depop or Mercari or eBay or any of those secondhand places, because they're like the best places to find like name brand things for decent prices. I spent like, this was $26. Like I usually mention the price of things earlier on, but yeah, I got this skirt for $26 off Depop, and it's like Lazio. So yeah, check out Depop, and I will see you all next time. Bye.